Very simple. I have given very easy question to all of you. So here it is coming y is equals to 4p square by 2 plus 12p to the power 4 by 4 plus c. So it is coming y is equals to 2p square plus 3p to the power 4 plus c. So therefore the general solution is first to write down y 2p square plus 3p to the power 4 plus c, and what is given question, x is equals to 4p plus 4, x is equals to 4p plus 4p cube. That's all. Where, don't forget to mention, where p is a parameter, where p is a parameter, don't forget, and c is a constant. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, in the midterm syllabus, there is
Hmm.
one portion that is scale change theorem. Could you
Which one?
please
Which
define
one?
it once?
One by one. One by one. Just one by one. Now,
Okay,
yes,
sir. Okay.
please. Now, please tell me. Just, voice is just loud. Just anyone, please tell me. Hello, please tell me.
Sir, I was saying that in the midterm syllabus, there is one portion that is scale change theorem. So, would you please repeat it once, sir? Means that part.
Which theorem? Which theorem?
The
Which
scale
theorem?
change.
Which one?
The scale change theorem, sir.
Some audio issue.
Sir, skill change theorem.
Oh, scale change. Oh, acha,
Yes.
acha. Yes, yes, I can. No problem. I can do this. If any time, this is my advice to all of you, anytime, just to feel free. Huh? Every time, feel free. Whatever regarding subject is concerned, anytime, any question you can ask. Hmm? Okay. Now, please write down scale change what? Yes, very good. Very good. You have asked some question to me. Very good. Scale change property. Someone is coming. 10 minutes left. Now, listen carefully. Suppose scale change property means if L of Ft is equals to Fs. Again, someone is coming. Forget it. Hello, Pratik.
Yes, sir.
What is the time, my dear?
Yes, sir. 10, 12 minutes late. Sorry, sir.
Then every time, please don't do this. If L of Ft is equals to Fs, then L of f of At is equals to 1 by A f of S by A. Okay. Now try to understand what is the basic part change. So here your T is associated with A. Now try to understand the question. It will be better for you. Now try to understand. Okay. Using, listen carefully, very important question. Using scale change property, evaluate, or you can say find L of sine theta. Okay, where L of sine t is equals to 1 by s square plus 1. Now try to understand this. Okay, very simple. You want to find, you know. Anyone can tell me what is the value of L of sine 3t value?
2 sin t cos t.
L of sine 3t value.
Okay.
3 by a square plus 9.
Yes, 3 by
Yes, sir.
x
3 by
square
x
plus 9. Correct. Already you know that, but you have to find this result using the given information. Okay. Now let's see the answer. Please try to understand. Very simple. Very simple. So please write down here. Here, L of sine t is equals to. Okay, first to write down the question. L of sine 3t is equals to question mark. You want to find this. Okay. So you write down let ft is equals to sine t. How to decide that? How to decide that? Because here it is given. Na? So all otherwise you can write directly given, it will be better for you. Given L of sine t is equals to 1 by s square plus 1, which is your fs,
Yes, sir.
correct? And what is your ft? Anyone?
So
Anyone?
sine 3t.
Sine t, because after taking L of ft, then you will get the fs, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's why ft is equal to sine t and L of ft 1 by square plus 1 is a fs. Okay, now try to understand the next part. So you write down using scale change property L of sine 3t. Okay, so can you write L of f of 3t?
Sir, can you please move to the previous slide? Thank you, sir.
Okay, just you can check if it is ft is equals to sine t. So can I write sine 3t is equals to f of 3t? Can I write this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If ft is equals to sine t, then can I write sine 3t is equals to f of 3t? Okay. Yes, absolutely you can write. Now
Yes,
what is
sir.
a here? What is a? A is equals to
3.
3. Okay. The formula is 1 by a, f of s by a. What is a? 1 by 3. So s by 3. So what is fs you have? 1 by s square
S
plus
square
1.
plus
Correct.
1.
So all
Yes, sir.
a's should be replaced by s by 3. So you write down 1 by s by 3 whole square plus 1. Is it clear? Fs equals to
Yes,
3.
sir.
You want to find f of s by 3. So it is coming 1 by s by 3 whole square plus 1. So it is coming this, and it is, if we simplify, it is coming s square plus 9 by 9. So if you can simplify, it is coming uh, 1 by 3, 9 by s square plus 9. If you
So 3 by
simplify,
s square plus 9.
just you can check, it is coming like that. Proof. Is it correct or wrong? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm giving another little bit different question. Now please write down. Please write down. So here it is very easy to identify if ft is equal to sine t and sine 3t automatically f of 3t. It is very easy to identify. Now I am giving a little bit tricky question. Not tricky, little bit just different. Shall I move to the next slide?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Now please write down using scale change property. Using scale change property, find L of sine 2t, where L of sine 3t is equals to 3 by s square plus 9. Do you understand this question? First try to understand the question, whether it is correct or wrong. Means correct or wrong means what? The statement.
Sine 2t.
Yes. Suppose you want to find the sine 2t. You know what will be the result. Anyone can tell me what is the value of sine L of sine 2t? Anyone?
So 2 by s square plus 4.
Okay, very good. 2 by s square plus 4. But you have to find this result with the help of L of sine 3t. Now try to understand how to solve it. Very simple question, but it's very interesting. So here L of sine 2t, you want to find this. Okay, it is given L of sine 3t is equal to 3 by s square plus 9. Okay, so therefore ft is equals to sine 3t and fs is equals to 3 by s square plus 9. Anyone, any doubt up to this line? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we want to write this sine 2t in terms of sine 3t. Now let's see. Now you write down using a scale change property L of sine 2t, correct? Sine 2t. Okay, but right now you don't know. You know ft is equals to how much? Ft is equals to sine 3t. Okay, so first you have to rewrite this 2t in terms of 3t. Then only you can identify what is a. So can I write this? What will be the adjustment?
Sir, 2 by 3.
Yes.
Sir 2 by 3, sir.
Very good. So can I write L of f80? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is a here?
2 by 3.
Yes, very good. So you can write directly 1 by a f of s by a. That is coming 1 by 2 by 3 f of s by 2 by 3. It is coming 3 by 2. It is coming 3s by 2. Please check whether it is correct or wrong. Everyone, please check the calculation. My calculation may be sometime wrong, but everyone, you are watching, please check my calculation is correct or wrong. Every line by line, please check.
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay, now you substitute the value. Already you know what is your fs. Fs is equals to how much? 3 by s square plus 9, isn't it? Just you substitute s and find the result. Now if I can write here, what is your fs? Fs is equals to 3 by s square plus 9. Na? So please write down 2 by 3 f of, sorry, 3 by s replaced by 3s by 2 whole square plus 9. Please check. This line, second line is correct or wrong? Second line is correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you simply just simplify and find the result. So it is coming 9 by 2 and here it is coming 1 by, it is coming 9 s square by 4 plus 9, correct? So 9 by 2 is here, you can take common, 1 by 9 is common, s square plus 4 plus 1. Please check, this 9 cancel, okay? So it is coming 1 by 2, 1 by s square plus 4 by 4 if you take LCM. Okay, so it is coming 1 by 2, 4 by s square plus 4. Ultimately, it is coming 2 by s square plus 4. Is it correct or wrong?
Sir, s square plus 9.
Which one? Which one?
No,
Which
it will
line?
be s square plus 4.
4, 4, 4. 4. Any line, anyone, any difficulty? Please write down, tell me.
Sir, would you please show the previous page one, sir? Sir, previous page of this page.
These are all 9, huh? These are all
Okay,
9.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm giving one question to all of you. One question. Let's see who can find the answer. Same, using scale change property. Evaluate, find L of e to the power 2t is equals to 1 by s minus 2, where given L of e to the power you have to find this. Now everyone please try to solve it. It's a very easy question. Everyone please solve it. Everyone please solve. Okay, in between this time I should take your attendance. Everyone please try. 62, 63 absent, 67 absent, 69 absent, 70, 71, 72, 73 absent, 76, 77 absent, 80 absent, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 absent, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91 absent, 92, 93, 94, 96, 97, 98 absent, 99 absent, 100, 101, 102 absent, 102, 104, 106 absent, 108, 9, 10, 11 absent, 111 absent. Vityabrata, you are using double logging.
No, sir. It was by mistake, sir. That
Okay,
is it.
okay, no problem. 115 absent, 120. Yes, these are the absent spread. 62, 63, 67, 69, 73, 77, 80, 85, 91, 98, 99, 102, 104, 106, 111, 150. These are absent spread.
Sir, done.
Complete. Wow, very good. Now, can you start just to tell me what should I write one by one? You instruct me and I'll write.
Sir, here L of e to the power 2t equals
A
to
log e to
question
the power 2t is equals to question mark. Okay. Then
given
Okay.
L of e to the power 3t equals to 1 by s minus 3.
Okay.
Ft equals to e to the power 3t. Fs equals to 1 by s minus 3.
Okay. Very good.
Using scale change property,
Using scale change property, L of
L of e to the power 2t
L of e to the power 2t is equals
equals to L of e to the power 3 by 2 into bracket 2t.
to, right? It is not correct.
Sir, 2 by 3 into 3t.
Yes. E to the power 2 by 3 into 3t. Correct.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
So
where a equal to
f
2 by 3.
of f of
F
a.
of A equals
What
A
is a?
equals to 2 by 3.
Yes, it is coming 1 by a f of s by a. That is 1
1
by
by 2 by
2
3.
by 3 f of s 2 by 3. It is coming 2 by 3 f of 3s by 2. So what is fs? Already you know fs is equals to 1 by
Oh,
s minus how much?
Sir, 1 by
3.
s minus 3.
3. So you can write here 2 by 3 is here. So 1 by 3s by 2 minus 3. Now you can simplify. It is coming 2 by 3 is here. 1 by 3 is common. Then you can take s by 2 minus 1. This 3, sorry, it is coming. It is 1 by 9 is coming. Oh, sorry, I have done some mistake. So here it should be 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Correct.
Yes.
So here it should be 3 by 2. 3, 3 cancel. It is coming 1 by 2. And if you take LCM, that is s minus 2 by 2. It is coming 1 by s minus 2. 2 into 2 cancel. Ultimately, it is
1 by
coming.
S.
That's all. Very good. So, scale change property is complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How
Sir,
much
for
time is
mid-sem, sir, for mid-sem syllabus, these kind of questions are enough.
not only mid same, whatever the exam you have, these are the basic. If you
Okay,
know
sir.
basic, there is no issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. 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 Now, so already you know Bernoulli's, sorry, solve for x, solve for y, solve for p, all are covered, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so that means if I can recall everything one by one, so this is your exact and non-exact linear equation. Is linear equation and Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so this all three belongs to first order and first degree differential equation, where you can see everywhere only dy dx, not in power, only dy dx. And here you know that is your solvable for p, solvable for y, solvable for x, and here you have some excluders from. This all belongs to first order, but not first degree. It means what? Dy dx must be there, but some power may be higher. Here it is exactly 1, but here it is above 1. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 according to that. Okay, so these are the basic part already we have completed. Okay, now how much time is left?
Sir, 15 minutes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, so please write down the next heading. Please write down the higher. So this is very, very important. If you know only one topic, you can manage 3 topics simultaneously. Okay, if you know this topic, you can manage 3 topics simultaneously. So please try to spend some quality time for your better understanding. Okay, now please write down higher order differential equation. Please write down higher order differential equation. Please write down higher order differential equation. Okay. Higher order means where you can see higher derivative. That means d2y dx square, d cube y by dx cube plus something. Okay. Are you getting my point? So this is higher order differential equation. Okay. For example, you can say it will be for your better understanding. Suppose you have example d square y dx square plus 5 dy dx plus 6y is equal to x. Another example I can give d square y dx square plus dy dx minus y is equals to e to the power x cos x. Okay. Number 3, d square y dx square plus 4y is equals to maybe tan 2y. So these are all belongs to higher order differential equation. Suppose you have a question in your mind, sir, can I get dqy by dx cube? No, because according to the standard of your question or standard of your syllabus, second order is sufficient. Is it clear? Just you can see another interesting part. You can see the left hand side part is little bit same. Just here I have changed only the number. Just to check 7, 5, 6. Here it is a 1. Here it is a -1. And here it is a dy dx is free. And here it is a y. But you can see the right hand side part is little bit different. Okay. So in this chapter, we will learn to solve this higher order differential equation. Okay, there are different methods we have. So number one method is D operator method. Okay, number one method is D operator method, and number two method is variation of parameter. Please write down parameter method. Please write down. One is D operator method and variation of parameter method. But D operator is very, very important. Okay, if you know D operator, so already I've discussed. If you know D operator, 2 to 3 subtopic you can manage directly. Okay, so I'll explain line by line. Now, please write down. Suppose we want to use D operator method. I'm writing D operator method. Please write down D operator method. Okay. Now try to understand how to solve it and how to implement this process. So please write down solve. I can explain with the help of one numerical example. D square y dx square plus 5 dy dx plus 6y is equals to e to the power 6x, suppose we have. But I can tell you this example, if I can consider here, dx square plus 5 dy dx plus 6y is equals to x, you can say x. Why it is x? Because x may be replaced by x square, may be replaced by x minus 2, may be replaced by e to the power x, may be replaced by e to the power 2x, may be replaced by x e to the power 2x, may be replaced by sine 2x, may be replaced by cos 2x, may be replaced by e to the power x cos x, may be replaced by x sin x, and all. These are the variation. So right hand side part may be different. Okay, but the rest of the left hand side part, there are 2 parts calculation you have in higher order differential equation. There are 2 parts calculation you have on the left side part and on the right side part. And left hand side part calculation is called CF. What is CF? CF stands for complementary function. complementary function. Okay, and right hand side part calculation is known as PI, means particular integer. Please write down. Is it clear? In higher order differential equation, there are two parts calculation you have. First part is known as CF part, that is CF calculation, complementary function calculation. And the second part is known as particular integer. Is it clear? There are two parts calculation process you have. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm giving one by one how to solve part by part. Okay, suppose I'm writing here first part. First, exam time, no need to write, but if you want to write, you can. No, there is no issue. Now try to understand if I have this type of question, how to solve it by using D operator. One by one I'm discussing. So here you should write let y is equals to e to the power mx be a trial. Whatever the left hand side part you have, whatever the middle term or first term, whatever you have, higher order differential equation you have, every time you have to consider as a trial solution. This one, e to the power mx is a trial solution. Okay. So not only this question, whatever left hand side part you have, whatever higher order differential equation you have, always you should consider y is equals to e to the power mx be a trial solution. Trial solution of the reduced equation. Of the reduced equation, b square y dx square 5 dy dx plus 6y is equals to 0. Now you can check in first part. In first part, it's all about the left hand side calculation. So that's why I can check I am using right hand side part as a 0. Is it clear to all of you? In first part,
Yes, sir.
right side part you should consider as a 0. Whatever the expression you have, forget it. Okay, now you write down on the right side y is equals to the power mx. Now you differentiate this. Dy dx is equals to m e to the power mx. D square y by dx square is equals to m square e to the power mx. Correct? Simple derivative is here. So now you substitute all this derivative value to this equation. So you write down m square e to the power mx plus 5 m e to the power mx plus 6 e to the power mx is equals to 0. Please check. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the first derivative part is coming here, second part is coming here, and third part is coming y. Okay, now can you tell me which one is constant? Which one is take common? Which part you can take common?
e to the power mx.
Yes, e to the power mx you can take common. It is coming m square plus 5m plus 6 equals to 0. So then you can write down, m square plus 5m plus 6 equals to 0. Since e to the power mx, it should not be 0. Why it should not be 0? Because you are considering as a solution. If e to the power mx becomes 0, so ultimately total equation becomes 0, na? So that's why e to the power mx should not be 0. Okay, now you use Siddharth-Acharya formula or middle term factor process to find the value of m. Okay, so anyone can tell me what will be the factor for this or what will be the value of m?
Sir, m square
Plus
plus
2
3m
plus 2m plus 3m.
M plus 2 and m plus 3.
m plus 3 minus 2 and minus 3.
Okay, so here it is coming m is equals to 2 and minus 3. So anyone can tell me Siddharth-Acharya formula? Anyone?
So minus b plus minus root over of b square
A
minus
x square plus dx plus c equal to 0. Suppose you have this equation, then your Siddharth-Acharya formula is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 2ac by
2a.
2a. Okay, very good. So now here it is very easy to use middle term factor, but sometimes you can see the situation you are unable to use middle term factor. Then what you do? You have to use Siddharth-Acharya formula to find the value of m. Okay. Now.
Yes.
Okay. So So you write down CF is equals to C1 e to the power minus 2x plus C2 e to the power minus 3x, where C1 and C2 are constant. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So this part is now your first part is over. Okay, now you write a note. The first part calculation is over. In CF part, calculation is over. Now please write down some note. Please write down some note. Because here your CF is totally depends on your M, correct? Please write down if M1 and M2 if you have. Please write down type 1. Suppose if you have M1 and M2, in that case, CF will be C1 e to the power M1x plus C2 e to the power M2x. Please write down. Now you write down type 2, where you can see your M1 is equals to M2. There may be a chance the root becomes same. So in that case, your CF will be C1 plus C2 into x e to the power M1x. Okay. And third one and type 3, these are the possible variation in CF. So there may be a chance to you are unable to identify apply middle term factor. Okay, then you can apply your Siddhartha formula. Suppose there may be a chance your M is coming in terms of complex form, that is alpha plus minus I beta. Suppose your M is coming alpha plus minus I beta, then your CF will be, please write down, e to the power alpha x C1 cos beta x C2 sin beta x. These are the total variation you have. Is it clear to all of you? The variation part is
Yes, sir.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
please write down the note as a note. Okay, please write down the note. If M and N are equal, then you should write C1 plus C2x e to the power M1x. If M1 and M2 are different, then your CF will be C1 e to the power M1x plus C2 e to the power M2x. In third, where you can see your M is become complex type alpha plus minus I beta. In that case, your CF will be e to the power alpha x plus into C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. Now,
Sir, please repeat the type 1, sir.
if your M value are different, now I'm giving some question, it will be better for you. So suppose your M become 2 and 3. So your CF will be C1 e to the power 2x plus C2 e to the power 3x. Clear? Suppose your M become 2, 2. Then your CF will be C1 plus C2x e to the power 2x. Suppose your M become 2 plus minus 3i. So in that case, your CF will be e to the power 2x C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So
Yes,
this is the process. This is the process. Okay. Okay. So here I have completed only first part. Second part I will discuss later. Time is close to an end. So now I am giving one question to all of you. So can you complete your CF part only? D square y dx square plus dy dx plus 2y is equals to e to the power 4x. Now, can you complete your first part? Like this discussion, anyone? Please complete your tasks. Everyone, please try to solve. Everyone, please. or you may consider time is running, so you may consider as a homework also. Just you have 3 minutes.
Sir, please show
Ah.
the complementary function slide.
Yes, this one.
No, sir. Before one page more, sir.
This one.
No, sir. The starting topic, the operator
Second more
method.
page.
Yes, sir. This. So where you have given the x values.
Huh? Yes.
So where you have given the x value, sir. Complementary function equal to particular integral.
No. This one.
Yes, sir. This.
Okay. First part is all about the CF, that is complementary function, and right side part
Yes, sir.
calculation PI part. Okay. Okay, so
Sir,
our
the
time,
last page, please, sir.
yes. Now our time is very end position. Now everyone, thank you all of you. Then you may leave the
Sir.
class. Please.
Sir, in the mid-sem syllabus, there is one portion, periodic function and its properties. I think it is not done, sir.
Huh?
Sorry,
No,
the
sir,
periodic function, sir.
function is left.
It is not done, sir. It is left.
Okay, no problem. Tomorrow I
Yes,
can
sir.
manage. Okay, no problem. If there is any issue, tomorrow I'll discuss. Okay. Initially you should
Okay,
inform.
sir.
Okay, initially
Okay,
you should
sir.
inform, it will be better. Suppose by mistake if I have forget to discuss the topic, no problem. So tomorrow you have a class, correct? Tomorrow I'll discuss. No problem. Okay. Now you may leave the class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.